Hey guys, today we're going to be decluttering my hair care, body care and skincare. This is probably one of the most overdue declutters that I need to do. So I don't even know how we're going to do it. I am so overwhelmed. Like, I literally have so much of every category. Like, it's actually crazy. But we're just going to get into it. I already know this video is going to be like a couple of parts because there's so much to go through. Anyway, so basically I have everything kind of organised in my bathroom. I'm not going to show you my bathroom because it's like a bit outdated, I guess. Isn't that like a shame that I feel like social media has warped us a little bit, whereas like if your house isn't modern you can't show it on the internet. I know that's just my own like mind, but anyway. So I have it organised by each category in my bathroom, and then I've also got a box of things that I want to use up by the end of the year. I mean, try out by the end of the year, which is this stuff. And then I've also got like 3 boxes worth of new products that I have received this year. So we really need to get onto it. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to sort this. This is the box here of everything. Like, these products are what do you call it, like inching on older. So what I'm going to do is quickly go through these. I'm going to organise them into categories. We're going to go through, see if there's anything that I know I'm not going to try and just pass it along rather than holding onto it for longer. So yeah, I'm going to do that really quick. Now we're going to go through every category that we have. So alright, let's do it. Okay, so this is just the stuff that I want to try out. So you can see why I'm so overwhelmed. Like, anyway, whatever, I just need to get this done. I feel bad like getting rid of things, but at the same time, like, just having them sitting here is not going to, like, they're not going to suddenly get used up. Anyway, so first and foremost, this is the Volcano. I think this is like a face mask, or I don't know what it is, but it's something from Lush. It's just a little sample, and you can see that it's literally dried, which is how old some of this stuff is, so that needs to go in the bin. I'm a little bit more like, I'll hold on to body care for a little bit longer than I will skincare, because I feel like obviously your face is a bit more sensitive. Anyway, so this is an SPF, which I will keep because I honestly don't have many SPFs and I need to start wearing it, so I'm gonna hold on to her for now. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. I think I got this in an advent calendar last year and I don't think I'm gonna use it, so I'm gonna pass it along. If the stuff is like newer, I'll put it into a giveaway. If it's a bit older, I'll just get rid of it. I think that one's still relatively new. Anyway, this is the Avadia Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment, so that's for your hair. We also have the Kerastars Elixir Ultimate, which I don't know what that is, but I'll keep both of those. My hair care isn't too overwhelming at this point in time. And yeah, I'll try those out. Anything that's still in this box at the end of the year is just getting passed along because I've had it for long enough and I need to use it. Anyway, this is the Mecca Cosmetica Purifying Cleansing Balm. And I will be keeping this. I love a good cleansing balm. And I've actually just used up a makeup remover, so I will be keeping it. These are the same product. We have 2 of the lightweight hydrating lotions. So I guess I will keep the bigger one and pass along the smaller one. I guess. I don't know. I kind of want to keep them both, but I also know that's... I feel like the reason I don't want to get rid of this stuff is I don't feel comfortable putting this stuff in a giveaway because I don't know how long I've had it. Whereas, like, you know, the new stuff that I know I came out of the advent calendar this year, I can like rethink it and pass it along, like put it in a giveaway or whatever. So that's why I'm kind of apprehensive to like get rid of some of this stuff. I think I'm going to keep them both for now. Once again, if I haven't used them by the end of the year, that's too bad. This is the Haybud Overnight Sensation Hemp Night Moisturizer. I will keep this, and I'll also keep this. This is the Haybud Smooth It Over Niacinamide and Hemp Serum. Okay, this is the Body Shop British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask, which I will pass along because once again I don't know how long I've had it. This is the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, which I will keep because I got this last year. Hopefully it's still okay. It should be alright. I haven't used it yet, but I mean, I haven't used any of this stuff yet, lol. So these are just little like eye masks that you put in the fridge, so I actually want to start using them. And then this is a little face mask, a gingerbread sheet mask. I think I'm gonna pass it along because I'll pass that one along. Kiehl's Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask, I'll keep that. This is the Dermalogica Foaming Facial Wash. I've used up one of these before, so I'll keep the. This is the 4th Ray Fresh AF Face Mist. I'm pretty sure I've already got one of these, so I'll keep it for now. This is a newer product, one that I got this year, so that's fine. MCO Beauty. Alright, onto the lips is where we're probably going to get a little bit more cutthroat. Okay, Gingerbread and Wednesday's Child is Full of Woe. I'll keep both of those. These are lip scrubs from Lush. These are both from, these were both made in 2022, so I'm just going to get rid of them. We have Vampire Kisses and Salted Caramel. It makes me sad, but they need to go. And I just need to learn better for next time, not to over consume. Snow Fairy Lip Jelly. Also 2023, like that, like it expired in 2023, so that can go. This is the Hideaway Fairy Floss Lip Scrub, which I only got last year, I think. Oh, that smells so good. So, keep her for now. This is the little Sugar Lips Lip Butter. I'm just going to pass it along. This is the Powerpuff Girls and Colourpop Sugar and Spice Overnight Lip Mask. It honestly probably needs to go in the bin. I've already used it. I don't know what's in here. It smells so good. Yeah, I'm going to keep it for now. If I haven't used it by the end of the year, it can go. I've got 2 P. Louise lip scrubs here. Have Pumpkin, Perfect Pumpkin and Ladies That Lunch. I'll keep those. This is the... I wish that every brand had like the little expiry date on it, like Lush does. Anyway, this is Candy Cane Lip Butter and this one's still good, so I'll keep her. This is the Luxe Lip Oil in Comb by Colourpop. Is it still good? It's got things on it. I'm going to throw it out. Sorry, I feel like it's a bit old. This is the Colourpop Mandalorian one in Dindagerian. I think I said that wrong. That was a bit weird. I think I'm also going to get rid of that one. I'm going to get rid of this Morphe and Sour Patch Kids lip scrub. This is in Red Berry. It can go. I really don't want to get rid of these. These are the Simpsons and Revolution Treehouse of Horror 2 lip masks. I've got Candy Apple and Lemon Lime, but these are old and they need to go. And this is something else that I do. I really put off using like products and then they go bad and then I don't get to use them anyway. So I really am wanting to go to on a no-buy early next year and kind of keep it up as long as I can so that I can just focus on using the products that I actually have. This is the Cinnamon Stick Lip Oil from Lush and it expired a year ago, so it can go in the bin. This is the Pixie, it doesn't actually say what it is, but it's just like a lip balm. I feel like I'm just going to get rid of it. This is the P. Louise Balmy For You. Mine is in Lime. That's still like relatively new and yeah, I'll use that. I'll also keep the P. Louise Pretty Pumpkin Lip Sleeping Mask. These MCO Overnight Lip Masks are new, they can stay. Gonna get rid of this Morphe 2 lip mask. This is the P. Louise Sip and Serve Lip Oil. Oh, it's so good, love it. This Carmex, I think I only got it last year. Keep her, and I'll get rid of this Body Shop one because I think it's pretty old. This is the Lizzie McGuire and Colourpop Lip Scrub. I'll keep, and I'll pass both of these along because I think they're both old. We have another one of the little Sugar Lips and also another one of the Body Shop, what do you call it, like lip balms. I don't think I like this, but I think I swatched it. Like I don't think I actually love the scent. Yeah, I don't love it, but I can't remember if I swatched it or not. I just don't think I'll use it, but like it's good, so like I want to pass it along, but yeah, anyway, I'm not going to use it, so. Okay, I have this little SpongeBob soap. I feel like I've honestly avoided using this because it's so cute. Oh, this was the Lush and SpongeBob collab. I need to use it. And then this is the little gold coin. This was part of the Mario collab. Once again, I feel like I have avoided using it because it's so cute. But I just need to use it. I just need to get it out of the way. We have the Sunday Juicy Pear, which I will keep. Hot Toddy. Do I even like this? I see, I hate that. Why did I keep that? It's expired anyway, so I'm just going to pass it along. This is the pink grapefruit from the Body Shop, which I'll use. Oh, that's so good. And then I have these two shower jellies from Lush. We have Bowser, sorry, and Princess Peach. The Princess Peach one is so good. Oh, it's incredible, honestly. I could eat it. So, keep those for now. Okay, on to moisturisers. I've got these two from Hideaway. These two body custards. I have Black Sugar and Flower Power. I'll keep both of those. I'll keep this body milk from Hideaway. Keep the Victoria's Secret Aqua Kiss. These Soul body oils, I just don't think I'm going to use them. They're stunning, like they're so stunning, but I just don't use them. I think I'm going to put these two in a giveaway. I would love to, but I don't know. Anyway, this is the P. Louise Finishing Touch. Like, I want to start using these glowy things. Okay, actually, I'm going to keep the Soul ones. I know that I shouldn't, but I'm going to, because summer's coming up. If I don't use them in the summertime, then they're going to go. This is the Glossy and Glazed All Over Body Glow from P. Louise. I feel like I didn't like it, because it was like really sticky. Oh well, I'm going to give it a go. Look at that. We'll see how it goes. Shea Body Butter from the Body Shop. I've already started using that. Oh, that's so good. And then the Body Yogurt. I also love these. Oh, that's so good too. I can stay. I'll keep the Soul things for now, but if I don't use them, they're going. And then this is the C moisturizer thing. So that's done. I didn't get rid of too much, obviously, but yeah, I'll sort everything out in that thing soon and sort it into categories so that I can just go into my bathroom and try out new stuff. But what I am going to do now, and this is probably going to be very hard for me, but I'm going to put all of my new stuff, and we're going to re-go through all of my new stuff and see if there's things that like I can pass. And then we'll go through each category. I think that's how I'm going to do it. Alright, let's just start going through. I'm just going to put everything down. Okay, I've actually just pulled all of this out and I've changed my mind, but just for reference, this is like all of the new stuff that I have. So I think what I'm actually going to do, oh my god, where's it going from? What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to sort this into categories. So we're going to, we're going to go like cleansers, then we're going to do face masks, and we're going to do all of that type of thing. And then what I'm going to do is pull out the cleansers I already have compared to like the new stuff cleansers, just so I don't get mixed them up. So like if I decide to pass something along, I can, like, I know it's the new one, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to compare what I already have to what is new. And I feel like that'll be a better way to do it, instead of like thinking, oh, but I want that, without actually being able to see what I already have. Does that make sense? So yeah, let me just quickly divide. I say quickly, it's going to take a while. Let's put everything into categories. I think I'm going to start with, let's start with skincare. So everything that is body care I'll put to the side for now, and then yeah, we'll start with skincare. Okay, that's where I'm going to leave it for now, and then when I come back, so this is where I'm going to leave part 2. When I come back, we will start going through the categories, and yeah, we'll get into the the fun part. Oh, okay. Thank you guys for watching part 1. I will see you in the next part. Bye.